I'm the founder and CEO of Bragi. My name is Nikolaj Hviid. I founded the company 3 years ago, and since then we've been doubling the amount of employees every single year. We have been establishing different IT subsystems and infrastructure in the company, and throughout that time it has been important for me that we were secure but also safe with the data that we had. We're building up value through our knowledge and our IP that is placed in our IT systems. So a loss of those or a breach of those would be absolutely catastrophic for the company. We found out with Keepit that we could have a secure point of return at any point, even if we had ransomware and malware. It was an absolute choice of ours to use Keepit, mainly for that cause, but also because it was very simple and easy to use. Throughout our growth, we have been funded by investors. It was important for them that we had policies on data retention and data retrieval, that we couldn't lose data in the process. We found that Keepit was keeping up with the standards and enabling us to comply with those requirements from our investors. As a fast-growing company, it was important for us that the cost of implementation, the time that it took to implement the solution, wasn't something that required a huge budget. We were actually surprised about the swiftness and the efficiency of integration. It literally took us minutes to back up all our accounts and to implement the solution. This would have been a much more expensive process with any of the other solutions that we had found. 365 holds a lot of information and data that is essential to us. In case of breach or malware or ransomware or loss of data, it could be catastrophic for a company like ours, but also for companies outside of our organization. People rely on what we do, and our data security is part of that. We feel very secure with the solution from Keepit and with our audit from the capabilities of Keepit. When we did our audit of Keepit, we immediately understood why they're growing so fast. Any company should be using their solution. After having used Keepit for a while, we were inquiring at Keepit if we could use Keepit at a wider area of services, whether it would be endpoints or some of our other cloud services. And we were delighted to see that Keepit actually has solutions for some of those areas and are very much focused on developing support for other services as well. So we're looking to expand our relationship with Keepit.